Understanding, you are my sunshine, a deep dive into English expressions. Hello everyone, today, we're exploring a very special phrase in the English language, you are my sunshine. This expression is not only popular in songs and poems but also holds a deep emotional meaning in everyday conversation. We'll break down its significance, origins, and how you can use it to express feelings of affection and warmth. So, let's get started and shine some light on this heartwarming expression. The phrase, you are my sunshine, is a metaphorical expression used to tell someone that they bring joy, happiness, and warmth into your life, just like the sunshine brings light and warmth to the earth. It's a way to express deep affection and to let someone know they are incredibly important to you. This expression is often directed towards loved ones, including family members, close friends, or romantic partners. This phrase gained popularity from the famous song, You Are My Sunshine, first recorded in 1939. Since then, it has become a staple in American culture and beyond, often sung as a lullaby, used in greeting cards, and quoted in various forms of media. When you use this expression, you're tapping into a long tradition of expressing love and appreciation through the metaphor of sunshine. Expressing affection, use this phrase to show someone they are dear to you. It's perfect for moments of gratitude or when you want to cheer someone up. In writing, this expression works beautifully in personal letters, cards, or messages as a way to convey warmth and love. Songs and poetry incorporate "You Are My Sunshine" into creative works to evoke a sense of comfort and joy. Remember, the impact of this phrase comes from its emotional weight, so it's best used in genuine moments of affection. You Are My Sunshine is more than just a line from a song. It's a powerful way to express love, gratitude, and the irreplaceable joy someone brings into your life. Whether spoken, written, or sung, these words can brighten someone's day and strengthen the bonds between us. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use this beautiful expression more effectively in your English conversations. Until our next video, keep spreading warmth and sunshine wherever you go.